Problem number 29. As a class experiment, a cart was rolled at a constant rate along a straight line. Sean recorded in the chart below the cart's distance x in feet from a reference point at the start of the experiment for each of 5 times in seconds. And then here's the chart, and it says which of the following equations represent this data. This is almost easier if we ignore all this stuff. I mean, it's all right, but it's just additional information. In terms of picking numbers and plugging in, the numbers are already provided for us. So we have an x and a t in each equation. It's kind of like a combination of working backwards and picking numbers and plugging in. So this one's a little bit of a different one in terms of strategies. It's a combination between the two. But basically, we can plug in t for each of these, and x should be here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equations. We want to see which one of these equations represents this data. So let's just look at, try this one first. If t is 0, we plug in 0 for t here. X will be 10. Well, that works here. Now let's try, it has to work for all columns. Let's try this one. T is 1, 1 plus 10, x is 11, but it says x is 14. So that doesn't work. It needs to work for every one. X equals 4t plus 6. If t is 0, x needs to be 10. But if t is 0 here, 4 times 0 is 0, we're left with x equals 6. So this doesn't work. Let's try C. X equals 4t plus 10. If t is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, and we're left with 10. X is 10. So we're good so far. How about if t is 1, x should be 14. Well, if t is 1, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. We're good here. How about 2 and 18? T is 2, x should be 18. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 10 is 18. How about this one? 4 times 3, if t is 3, x should be 22. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 10 is 22. And it works for these two. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 10, 26. T is 5, x has got to be 30. Well, 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. So C is the right answer.